I'm Santosh. Today I want to brief about the customer relationship management. What is the importance of customer relationship management in dealership in present scenario? What is the basic concepts of customer relationship management? Customer relationship management of CRM, as it is better known, is a hot word today. Simply started, it is the liaison between the product and the customer. It promises a better understanding of customers, strengthens customer loyalty, and provides what customer wants and how they want it. It is a concept encourage repeat buying from regular and frequent consumers. It is very old concept. Thought was not very permanent concept. It is your customers by offering service to stick to their product. Brand loyalty had almost become a phase in the last 2-3 decades, but now again concepts like CRM are trying to bring it back into the picture. About CRM, what is CRM? What is the goal of CRM? That sound rosy. How does it happen? That is a question mark. Are there indications of the need for the CRM project? How long it will take to get CRM in place? How much does CRM cost? What are some examples of the types of data CRM projects should be collecting? What are the keys to successful CRM implementation? What division should we run the CRM project? What caused CRM project fail? That is also a question mark. What industries are leading the way in the CRM implementations, and which industry is behind this curve? Again, you want to some briefing about the relationship process of CRM. CRM is a relationship process which a company can cultivate with its customer groups, segments in such a way that it will be benefit both the customer and the company. Is a process of acquiring, retaining, and pertaining with the selective customers to create superior value for the company and the end user. If just some also briefing about the what is the CRM goals. At the base, CRM should address the following business goals: increase, first of all, increase customer acquisition and retention, as well as a greater loyalty, expansion of profitable, long-lasting customer relationship, delivery of a consistent, relevant, high-quality customer experience, continuous learning about customers, and communication of that knowledge across the organization, delivery of the right products and service tailored to meet customer needs, increase customer equity, improve cost management. If we want to how to measure performance measurement of, also you can say how to measure the CRM performance or matrix. That is some parameters we can measure the CRM performance. First of all, customer profitability, customer loyalty, customer lifetime value, return of CRM investment. Also, CRM management is you can say that is a type of business, not a technology. Just we are also briefing. Customer relationship management is a business, not a technology solution. It is a logical extension of your company image and culture. Your image can be powerful one if based on our sound principles of the human interaction and common sense. You must have a clear vision of the objectives you have hope to achieve, and their vision must be embraced throughout your organization. A great deal of thought and planning must be done on the front end to effectively lead a manage changes but to your customer management model. Most of all the company as a whole needs to buy into the concept. What is the need of CRM? Let us analyze what's the need of CRM in today's scenario. First of all, opening of the Indian market, or rather we can say globalization, give our customer a feel of our international market. Customers have to and access to wide range of products, fast changing technology and advent of internet setup and interactive platform between the marketer and the customer. Increased competition gave the need to the marketer to carve a niche of for themselves by offering some unique change in the role of customer do business on their on our term, however where they want. So there is a need to mold over ourselves according to customer needs. Changes in the model of communication by email, internet, phone, fax, or face to face. Customer can participate in the development of the product and the services. Essential elements of the CRM management of every dealership. Essential element of any effective CRM program are, first of all, identify your customer. Second one is build relationship. This involves a knowledge of customers, product preferences, budget, and shopping habits. Third one is develop a customer database. That's why getting a customer is not a difficult, but what a difficult is retaining him. Benefits. CRM benefits both the customer and the company. Customer receive more meaningful and relevant messages, promotional offers, and the company benefits throughout a better understanding of the customer profitability. With the CRM, organizations can better serve their customers and further increase their chances of retaining them by having all the information necessary to make the product and the service decisions throughout the customer lifestyle. That's why we can say customer satisfaction is a journey rather than the destination. Uh, that's why if customer relationship are the heart of business success, then CRM is the valve that pumps a company life's blood. That's all. Thank you.